Welcome to our papaya factory. Today, I'll show you how fresh tropical papayas travel from farm to delicious desserts, step by step.
It all begins in warm tropical regions where papaya trees thrive year-round.
Specialists test each fruit manually to ensure optimal ripeness.
Papayas grow directly on the tree trunk, and workers identify perfectly ripe ones by color and firmness.
Ripe papayas are hand-cut to avoid bruising and preserve flesh quality.
Sorting begins in the field, ensuring each batch reaches the right processing line.
The harvested fruit travels directly to the nearby processing facility. Harvested papayas are quickly loaded to maintain freshness.
At the factory, teams prepare to receive thousands of kilograms of fresh papaya.
A first visual inspection removes any overripe or blemished fruit.
A first visual inspection removes any overripe or blemished fruit. A powerful water rinse removes field dust, sap, and soil. Rotating brushes scrub the skin without damaging the delicate flesh inside. Air dryers remove moisture, preparing the papayas for grading.
Air dryers remove moisture, preparing the papayas for grading.
Machines grade papayas by weight and size for uniform processing.
AI-powered cameras analyze skin color to confirm ripeness.
Clean and graded, the fruit now enters the peeling and slicing zone. Defective papayas are removed automatically, ensuring only premium fruit moves ahead.
Papaya flesh should be vibrant orange with a naturally juice texture. Quality staff evaluate internal color and sweetness before mass processing. Seeds are collected separately. Many factories even use them for seed oil production.
The next stage begins the transformation from raw fruit into dessert-ready form.
And now, the fruit is ready for peeling, slicing, and seed removal. Precision blades gently remove the outer skin with minimal waste.
Papayas enter an automatic peeling drum that gently removes the outer skin without damaging the flesh. Precision blades complete the peeling process, ensuring minimal waste. Removed peel is collected and repurposed for compost or animal feed.
A manual inspection follows to ensure flawless fruit quality.
Next, the fruit is sliced lengthwise into clean, even halves.
Rubber rollers separate the seeds while protecting the delicate flesh.
Collected seeds are washed and stored for secondary processing.
A thorough wash ensures the fruit is free of seed residue.
Horizontal blades create uniform strips used for both cubing and dehydrated products.
Specialized grid cutters produce perfectly sized papaya cubes for desserts and fruit mixes.
AI vision systems monitor cube size for consistent quality.
Cubes drop into chilled bins to retain freshness and prevent softening.
Strips follow a separate line for dried papaya and confection products.
A laser sensor checks each strip's thickness to ensure even drying.
Softer fruit unsuitable for cubing is redirected to the puree-making line.
A rotating auger crushes the flesh into a smooth, consistent mash. Fine mesh filters remove fibers, producing a smooth, dessert-ready puree.
The mash is gently heated to intensify flavor and deactivate enzymes.
Color and aroma are checked to ensure natural sweetness and freshness.
A cold rinse preserves cube firmness and prevents discoloration.
A natural citrus-based spray keeps the papaya vibrant and bright.
A vibrating conveyor removes surface moisture without damaging the cubes. A distribution conveyor separates cubes for multiple product lines.
Routine texture tests ensure cubes maintain ideal firmness for desserts.
With peeling and cutting complete, the papaya is ready for drying, canning, and dessert creation.
Papaya strips begin their transformation inside hot air drying tunnels.
High-pressure blowers circulate warm air to remove moisture evenly.
Moisture sensors carefully monitor dehydration to prevent overheating.
As water evaporates, the fruit becomes more concentrated and flavorful.
After drying, strips cool naturally to stabilize their texture.
For candied papaya, a rich sugar syrup is prepared separately. Slow stirring ensures every cube gets an even candy coating. Papaya cubes are immersed into hot syrup to absorb sweetness.
Time is precisely controlled to achieve perfect sweetness without over-softening.
After infusion, excess syrup drains off as cubes head for drying.
A spiral conveyor cools the fruit gently while maintaining shape.
A second drying cycle creates a shiny, caramelized surface.
Inspectors confirm the perfect balance between dryness and stickiness. Meanwhile, the puree line cools the mixture to preserve flavor and color.
Puree flows through sterile pipes to prevent contamination.
Viscosity is tested to ensure perfect consistency for dessert fillings.
An emulsifier ensures a smooth, creamy texture.
For dessert products, puree is blended with natural sweeteners and cream.
Some products combine fresh cubes with creamy puree for ready-to-eat desserts.
A vacuum step removes trapped air, preventing spoilage. Desserts pass through a chiller tunnel to firm up and stabilize.
Some strips receive natural fruit essences for tropical flavor blends.
Each product type follows its unique path toward final packaging.
Final dryness checks confirm strips are ready for packing.
The papaya has now transformed into dried fruit, candy, puree, and dessert bases.
Dried papaya begins its packaging journey in fully automated sealing machines.
Packaging film is shaped and sealed into pouches as product flows in.
Every bag receives the exact weight through calibrated weighers. Heat sealing locks in flavor and forms an airtight package. A nitrogen flush prevents oxidation and ensures long-lasting freshness.
Candied cubes are portioned precisely before being dropped into bags or tubs.
Premium candied papaya is often packed in clear tubs for premium presentation.
Machines ensure each tub receives the correct portion without manual handling. Lids snap into place, creating a secure seal.
Precision nozzles dispense puree without bubbles or spillage.
The puree line fills bottles and pouches with smooth papaya puree.
Dessert cups are sealed with heat-applied film to preserve flavor.
Caps are applied and torque tested automatically for perfect sealing. Every product passes through metal detection to ensure safety. Heat bonds the film securely to prevent leaks. Underweight or overweight packs are removed instantly. X-ray systems add an additional layer of quality assurance.
Batch codes and expiration dates are printed for traceability. Cartons are formed automatically to prepare for high-speed packing.
Labels wrap around bottles with perfect alignment. Each box undergoes a brief weight check before sealing. Robots handle packaging with accuracy and speed. Hot glue seals protect cartons during long-distance shipping.
Palletizers stack products safely and uniformly.
Wrapped pallets are now ready for global distribution.
Packaged papaya products are loaded into temperature-controlled trucks for delivery. A security seal ensures the shipment remains untouched during transit.
Automated systems direct each product to the correct retailer. Distribution centers sort products efficiently based on destination. From here, papaya products travel to supermarkets, restaurants, and export hubs. Supermarkets receive daily shipments to restock fresh fruit products. Supermarkets receive daily shipments to restock fresh fruit products.
Candied papaya tubs are displayed in premium fruit sections.
Papaya puree joins shelves as a popular ingredient for smoothies and desserts.
Dried papaya is placed in snack aisles alongside other tropical fruits.
Ready-to-eat papaya desserts are stocked in refrigerated sections. Puree is popular among home cooks and smoothie lovers.
Customers often choose dried papaya for its natural sweetness.
In culinary settings, papaya transforms into colorful signature desserts.
Restaurants use papaya puree to create sauces, drinks, and desserts. The vibrant orange color is a sign of natural ripeness and rich nutrients.
The smooth dessert base enhances the fruit's natural aroma. Papaya desserts are enjoyed in restaurants around the world.
At home, papaya is a convenient and healthy snack for families.
Puree blends easily into smoothies, adding color and flavor.
A refreshing drink, highlighting papaya's tropical aroma.
Papaya products serve multiple roles: neo, snack, dessert, and gourmet ingredient.
And now, we move to the final chapter of the papaya's journey.
From fresh fruit to delicious finished products, the papaya's journey comes full circle.
As the day ends, the factory stands quiet after hours of careful crafting. Each line, each machine, each worker contributes to a global supply chain. When production pauses, the factory prepares for tomorrow's harvest. When production pauses, the factory prepares for tomorrow's harvest.
It all begins with one fruit.
And transforms into desserts enjoyed around the world.
From the fields, to the factory, to your table.
A global network connects farmers, factories, and families.
Papaya products travel across continents to reach millions of people.
Thank you for joining us today inside our papaya factory. If you enjoyed this journey, don't forget to like, subscribe, and tell us which factory you want to explore next.
Even when the machines sleep, the process never stops.
Papaya, from nature to nourishment.
Tomorrow begins a new harvest, a new batch, a new story.
Thank you for watching.